Hi everyone, my name is Madeline Morrow and I'm in the last course to finish my Master's in Education, Pre-K to 4 certification. In December, I finished my student teaching process and I was actually offered a full-time position in the 5th grade. I recently just went through the emergency certification process and I fully began teaching this week. I'm looking forward to it and I'm also a little bit nervous. During my student teaching experience, I worked on the data collection portion of my action research project. My project focused on the impact educational software technology had on students' academics. Specifically, the purpose of my action research project was to explore the impact IXL, a mathematical educational software technology platform, had on third graders' academic achievement. I also wanted to understand students' perceptions towards IXL as it relates to their mathematical achievement. This topic is important to study because math can be learned through multiple avenues like small group, whole group instruction, manipulatives, task cards, workbooks, or educational software, and it's critical to identify if educational software can impact achievement levels. I used quantitative data to measure the impact IXL had on students' mathematical achievement. Quantitative data was helpful for me to understand the relationship between the independent variable, which was educational software technology, and the dependent variable, which was students' academic achievement. I administered a pre-test and a post-test, both with 10 questions. The questions ranged from math concepts that students should master by the end of third grade, like three-digit addition and subtraction, word problems, fractions, telling times, and patterns, and a Likert scale survey with 5 points with 13 statements was also used to determine students' perceptions towards educational software technology on their mathematical performance. I'm currently reviewing the data and I'm analyzing the data from the assessments and the survey. At an initial glance, I noticed that students did not answer some questions correctly. For instance, I noticed that the wording on some of the questions hindered students' performance. Like one question had said, it says, write 15 greater than 556. And I had some students that would just rewrite the problem or write the numbers rather than adding 556 plus 15 and then including the answer. So I'm curious to see as I go through the data collection process and reviewing all of the data, how students had responded to more of the questions as well as a Likert scale survey. So it will give me more of a cohesive look into the impact that educational software technology has on students' performance. And I'm really looking forward to hearing about other projects as well. Thanks.